Alright, welcome to video 1 of Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make 3D text in Illustrator. So this is what we're going to make. I'm going to go ahead and start and move this out of the way with my Move tool. And I'm going to use my text tool to create a new text box. I'll hit T on the keyboard to access that. And then I'll type Illustrator. I'm going to click out of the text box by holding Command and clicking out, or Control. Click on the text box, and then I'm going to use the Free Transform tool, or E, on the keyboard to resize this text. Make it a little bit bigger. Alright, now we're ready to start making it. So with it selected, I'm going to go down to my Appearance palette, and I'm going to add 2 new strokes. And this is the button to push, Add New Stroke. I'm going to make one of these strokes dark red, that'll be on the bottom, and then a bright yellow. I'm going to make the bright yellow stroke a 6-point font, or 6-point stroke, and the red stroke an 8-point stroke. And I'm going to go ahead and rearrange these so you can see them a little bit better. I'm going to take the red stroke all the way down to the bottom under the fill, and then the yellow stroke on top of the red stroke. So you can see that here. I'm actually going to make the red stroke up to, let's do 12. That'll work. And then all we need to do is add a fill. So I'm going to click on the fill and just add a medium orange to it. And there's our type. So now what we need to do is to add the 3D effect. We can't add it to this caliber yet, but let me show you what happens when I just add a 3D effect. So go up to Effect, 3D, and then Extrude and Bevel, and go ahead and click OK, and you'll see what happens. Just the fill of the text is affected by the 3D effect, so we want to affect the whole thing. So I'm just going to undo that. What we need to do is create this to outlines. You can use the shortcut Command-Shift-O on the keyboard, and then it'll create this text to outlines, or a path base. So I can't edit the text now. But still, if I go to Effect, Extrude and Bevel, click OK, still doesn't work. So what we need to do is expand the object, the fill, and the stroke. So I'm going to, with it selected, go up to Object, go to Expand Appearance, go to Object again, go to Expand, and go to Expand, Fill, and Stroke. So that's correct. And go ahead and click OK. Now it'll look like this after. And then I'll go, with it selected, I'll go up to Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. And I'm going to change the shading a little bit. And click OK. And there's my 3D effect.